Hi everyone, it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to show you the royal gathering on board Disney Cruise Line's Disney Wish. This experience gives you the opportunity to meet 4 princesses in the Grand Hall. It's complimentary, however it does have to be booked in advance through the Disney Cruise Line Navigator app or on the My Reservations page on the Disney Cruise Line website. As of the making of this video, booking for this experience opens at midnight Eastern 30 days before sailing, and spots are limited, so it's important to try to book it as soon as the booking window opens. If you're wanting to maximize your time on board your Disney cruise ship, I highly recommend booking the Royal Gathering because it gives you a scheduled time to meet 4 princesses in approximately 15 to 20 minutes. The opportunity to meet this many characters at one time is a perk that would usually require booking a character meal at the Disney theme parks, which would be an additional charge. However, on Disney Cruise Line, this opportunity to book the experience is included in your cruise fare. If spots fill up so quickly that you're unable to secure a spot at the Royal Gathering, there's no need to worry. Princesses will still be available to meet at scheduled times throughout your time on board, and you can wait in a standby line to meet them. However, rather than waiting in one line, you will be waiting in multiple lines. And for that reason, the Royal Gathering is an excellent onboard activity to book for your party. It doesn't cost any extra, it saves you time waiting in line, and it enables you to interact with beloved Disney characters. For more Disney Cruise Line tips and reviews, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like free help planning your cruise, reach out to me at gingermmt.com to get started. My planning services are completely free when you book your cruise through me, and booking with me is the same price as booking on Disney Cruise Line's website. Again, I'm Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thanks for watching.